Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can activate adaptive power saving mode on Android phone. Okay, first of all, we can open our settings application on our Android phone. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the battery setting. That's one, tap on the battery option. And here you can click on power saving option, and if you want to activate the adaptive power saving mode on your Android, you can tap on the three dots and tap on adaptive power saving. And here you can activate it. You can click on the circle button to turn it on. Okay, and right after you activate this feature, you will be able to turn power saving on and off automatically based on your usage patterns. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate adaptive power saving mode on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.